Okay, to probe on an anterior tooth, you want to make sure that you have the modified pen grasp. You want your middle finger to be on the shank and all of your fingers to be close together. You're going to start at the distal line angle and you're going to move in 1 millimeter bobbing strokes. You go as far as you can and then tilt into the caul. It's not a very big tilt on an anterior tooth because the width of that tooth is not very big. You'll then reinsert at the distal line angle and again move in 1 millimeter bobbing strokes all the way across. Go as far as you can, tilt into the caul. Again, very small tilt on an anterior tooth. Come back, reinsert on the next tooth, line angle, 1 millimeter strokes, interproximal, and tilt. Reinsert, 1 millimeter strokes. As soon as you get to the midline, you want to adjust your adaptation for the opposite side of the tooth. Go as far as you can, tilt. So if we're starting this way, you're always going to end here. Next tooth, watch the adaptation. As you come to the midline, you're straight at the midline. As soon as you leave the midline, you start to adjust your adaptation. That's the most important thing with probing, that you're doing this. Referred to as lots of different things. Some people look at the end of the instrument and call it a rainbow or a windshield wiper. But the most important thing, your fulcrum position should change mesial to distal. So last time, here we're starting mesial line angle, 1 millimeter bobbing strokes, go as far as you can, tilt. Reinsert at the line angle. Watch how our adaptation adjusts, straight up and down at the midline. As soon as you leave the midline, start to adjust your adaptation. Go as far as you can, tilt.